So this is what your air filter will look like. Continue watching to find out how to replace yours. What's up guys? So today I'm going to be changing the in-cabin air filter on the Honda Pilot. Now this is the brand called epauto. I've used all their products for the outside air filter, and I'm going to go ahead and replace the in-cabin air filter with this unit here. This is the CP134 model. Let's go ahead and hop inside and check this out and show you how to get this done. Really simple for anyone to do. You don't need any tools to do this. It's located right here in the glove box. Let's go ahead and hop in the car real quick. All right, so it's simple as opening up your glove box, just like that. Now you're gonna want to take everything out because this is gonna tip downward. So all you're gonna want to do is push the left and the right sides inward. There's tabs right here up at the top. You can see it folds straight down here, just like that. Now I've got my wire here for my camera, which I have up top, but you won't have that if you don't have a camera. All right, so this is what you're looking for right here. Now you're gonna see this whole tab right here. It says airflow with arrows pointing downward. Same deal here on the left and the right. There are two tabs. Push those inward and pull straight out, and you'll see how dirty your air filter is. Now check this out. Yeah, this is way overdue on this car. See all of those leaves, particles, that's just jamming up your air box and also causing a little bit of pollen possibly to get into your cabin, which you don't want, of course. So it's as simple as popping this straight up, and take note of the way these lines are. They're parallel horizontally, and you're gonna have that same layout when you put in the new filter. But this essentially can get trashed, so I'm gonna go ahead and throw this out. All right, so let's go ahead and unbox the new unit here. And I will go ahead and link to this product in the description below if you are looking for this product. Definitely check that out. Bam, fresh, like $1,000,000. All right, so let's go ahead and open this up. And there it is right there. So again, you want the horizontal lines to be left and right. And also you're gonna wanna note the airflow. Again, with the front of this box here, it has the arrows pointing downward, and you want to match it up with this here. Now this, of course, you need to turn 90 degrees like that. Get those horizontal lines to be, again, left and right, and this will sit right into this tray here. Just like that. It's got a very nice tight fit, which I do like. Again, just verifying that you have the airflow pointing downward. Just like that. And seat it all the way down fully to the base of the tray. And it's as simple as inserting it in just like that. For all of you that are my age or older, you're gonna know that popping in a VCR cassette, kind of similar like that. Push it all the way in, just make sure that the left and right tabs click, and you're all set. And then after you get that tray in, go ahead and lift your glove box straight up. Your left and right tabs, push them inward. You hear it click, and you're good to go. Let's go and fire up the car really quick. Turn up some AC here. Nice, fresh, clean air coming out of these vents. If you had any previous odor in your car, this will help take care of it with a fresh new filter. And you will be all set. Fresh, clean air coming in your car. Get ready for that hot summer with the AC blasting. All right, you guys, so that was how to change your in-cabin air filter. Again, this is the epauto CP134 model. Check the description below. If you're not already, consider hitting that subscribe button, like and comment with your feedback on this process, and I will see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.